Boys, check it out. We got the freaking girls in. The diamond ones. You guys always ask me if I actually wear these. The answer is no. I'd rather not come off as like an unapproachable douche. You know what I mean? I'd rather come off as an approachable shot vac, which is the opposite of a douche, I think. I'm not really sure how those work. Anyway, boys, filming the car today. My house is currently getting robbed, and I'd rather not get in their way. So, that being said, it's fucking hot in here. Back in action. We're back in the action. Oh, bro, I already have a bead of sweat dripping down in my balls. First things first, boys, if you guys support the channel, support me, please give a thumbs up, comment down below. It goes such a long way, especially after last week we got demonetized. Now YouTube looks at that and they're like, this guy probably sucks, so we're not getting shared at all. It really helped reverse that. Also, boys, big news once again. Mystery boxes on the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Our mystery boxes are still live for the month. Now, the coolest part, let's get it out of the way. One of you guys in your mystery boxes is gonna find either an Xbox Series X or a PS5. I'm gonna let the person choose. Mystery box is gonna come with a random name brand merch shirt, one chain, a sticker pack for $24.99. It's a no-brainer. NameBranFam.com. Go get that Xbox or PS5, hopefully. I can't wait to give that to you guys. I don't even know when yet. Alright, quick getting into the video. This is gonna be a short video, but I promised you guys I would make this. You might remember a little while back, we unboxed what I call the best rapper chain ever. Like, I actually dig this piece so much. T Grizzly's half bear, half beast. Or shoot, I fucked that up last time. Half bear, half him. He's not a beast, sorry T Grizzly. Anyway, we unboxed it and like we were really stoked and then it turned out bad. Okay, it comes with a chain at least. Pen, it just fell out. I feel it in my hand. God dang. I feel it in my hand. It feels like a freaking quarter, bro. It's small. It's small. Tell me what it looks like. I saw a glimpse. I didn't look at it close at all. Dear Christ. Oh. Yeah, I didn't like it too much, nor did any of you, so I promised ever since then that we were actually gonna unbox a really good replica, just being because I think it's literally, once again, the sickest chain in the rap game, you know what I mean? Also, he's a big-looking motherfucker. I'd rather get in his good books than bad. T Grizzly, you're the best. It also looks like a huggable bear, you know what I mean? Chill, Brand. Sorry, bro. I'm just kidding. Oh, dude, we're going backwards, hat. Look at this. What a disgusting sight. You guys did not click on this video to see me drench in a pool of slime. It's not even sweat anymore. I'm slimy like a slug. That's not funny at all. That's weird. No more wasted time. Once again, mystery boxes down below. You guys let me know what you think about this chain, and I always love asking this too. What is your favorite T Grizzly song? You guys let me know down below. With that being said, let's get into now what is going to... That's my address. Don't do that. Y'all always send dilds every time I leak it. The biggest of the big too. You guys spent a lot of money on that troll. Anyway, this one I guarantee is going to be a perfect replica of his. This is so sick. God damn it. I don't know why I always forget this, kid. It's from them. I'm not shouting them out. I don't work with them. They don't work with me, so they don't get free advertising, you know what I mean? Let's get into this. I'm tempted to just zoom this in and drop the pants because I'm really getting hot in here. Without further ado, long time. Yeah! Whoa, it's big! I didn't think it'd be big. I didn't think it'd be big at all. That's what she said. I don't want those. Don't do that. These things suck, man. You just don't want to wear them. They're covered in dog hair. Gross. I don't know where I have anywhere else to put them right now. So first off, sick sight, except they decide to now vacuum seal their shit. I'm gonna have to go inside and grab a knife from one of these burglars. Hold on one sec. Just kidding. I don't feel like leaving the car. Even though it probably wouldn't hurt getting a little fresh air right now. Boy, it's just vacuum sealing these bitches now like a frickin' chicken breast. I don't know if I like that. Oh, the air is released, and I'm ready. Without further ado, I've already seen this on the website so many times since purchasing it. I just keep looking at it, and this looks so much better in person. Boys, this might be the best chain we've ever unboxed. The T Grizzly. Look at the damn shine. I ain't beating my forehead, though. I'll tell you that for free. My God. Check her out. Half Grizzly, half Beast. No, half Beast, half Grizzly. Doing it again. Grizz, I love ya. Don't hug me to death. Absolutely beautiful, boys. Wait. Further inspection. Diamond! Missing. Boys, I don't know if you could see the cheek right here, right there. Right with the tip of my finger. These are dirty fingers. I was just guarding in the garden. Obviously. Where the fuck else would be guarding? It's really hard to see. I'm tempted to hit these guys up and be like, hey, give it to me for free, because all my homies are going to be able to tell that there's a diamond missing out of this. They're not going to be able to tell that it's actually just T Grizzly's chain I'm wearing, and it's actually super lame to do so. Wear what you want, guys. I have no problem with it. So I got the diamond tester here because you guys always want to see it. I dropped it for a bit because I never really thought there was a point to it. Nothing really passes. However, you guys kept asking back, but now I've got the slime all over me from my freaking forehead. I don't even know if I could read the damn thing. Boys, what an absolutely beautiful piece. I actually, to be honest, filmed in the car here to get some really nice lighting for you guys. I'm now regretting it. It's not worth any of this sweat. Let's put up a picture right here of what his looks like back to back with this. Now, he actually has a different colored one too. His newest one is like, I got a little color as well to it. This one's just the plain silver. The other one's got like a little rose gold. I don't know. I guess like when you have a super sick design already, you just like change the color and pay another 300 grand. It's kind of a dumb choice. I don't know why you just not get a new piece. Hopefully it's for one of his homies. Anyway. It just really doesn't make sense though, like they're the same size, they leveled up a bit on the chain, but I don't get it. They stack the same too, you can't even like wear them stacked well. Anyway, Grizzly, I love you. Absolutely beautiful piece. Quick short video for today. I got a pack to go to the cabin. Let me know down below if you guys want a cabin video. I'd be so down to do that. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys my cabin. My God, I do it for the boys, man. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. On the inside too, the gems back, just the hollow piece right here. Absolutely sick. I'm glad I could bring this to you boys. I'm gonna get out of this car and go have a Slurpee from 7-Eleven, even though I'm kicked out of there for my prior videos of filling shoes up with Slurpee. Pretty much banned from everywhere here, boys. Bye. Appreciate you. Oh, the diamond tester. God damn it. I gotta be in here a little longer. Didn't work. Alright, peace, boys. Ah! Oh, dear Lord. Brand's got hair? Yeah, bitch. Fuck.